Right! We've had quite the shake-up here at the Red Hot Rumble, when an earthquake literally shook the arena and the earth swallowed up our charbroiled champions. But it seems all is not game over for T-Rex and Spinosaurus. Instead, they've discovered a secret level. My sources in the underground tell me our heroes have found themselves lost in the sewer tubes beneath Mount Hothead. Let's take a look at what's up down below.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hey, look. It's the dinos from up above. Welcome to Sewer Springs.
Yeah. Have
you ever asked yourself, why are you always fighting? You could be down here soaking in the geothermal hot springs of Mount Hothead, you know?
Yeah.
Take a load off. Don't worry about smash points or smash eggs.
Our two heroes seem to be taking a dip in the hot springs. Have they given up on the competition altogether?
This is nice. So relaxing.
With their guards down, T-Rex doesn't see Roasted Rat behind him hacking into his smash points. Look out, T-Rex! Roasted Rat has hacked into your smash stats, and now he's downloading your smash eggs! Oh no! Oh no! T-Rex finishes his tropical juice, only to discover Roasted Rat's treachery.
Let's cheese it, Rat!
After them! And our heroes take off after those double-crossing sewer dwellers. T-Rex has got to get his smash eggs back.
You'll never catch us! All hail King Pyrodactyl!
Looks like that sewer scum knows the tubes a lot better than the dinos. What's that noise? The hot springs are under serious pressure! Uh-oh, they're gonna blow! A tidal wave of sewer water is rushing towards our champs! Surf's up, T-Rex! I can't believe it! They're surfing a sewer tsunami! Roasted Rat and HOT-SQUITO are in trouble now! T-Rex snaps his smash eggs back. And Roasted Rat and HOT-SQUITO are smashed into undertow fungus! T-Rex and Spino are back on the sizzling surface. And T-Rex refills his Smash XP. T-Rex and Spinosaurus unlock the secret level bonus. Whoa! As they say, out of the sewer pipe and into the laser fight. No one says that, but we'll find out who's blasting at our heroes next time on the Red Hot Rumble!
Welcome to the Smash Zone for our fourth Smash Out round, where it's a battle for the best bottle. First up, it's the super strength, fully fit energy drink, Smashade, and his evil twin, the tough but terrible Dribbles. Smashers ready?
Have a good race, bro. Ah, sucker! So immature.
Smashade speeds down the rope wall. Now, he must pull a giant truck carrying an airplane filled with Smashballs and an elephant who never got his pilot's license but refuses to let go of his dream. And the handbrake is on.
Come on, old man.
It's a smash landing! It's raining Smash Balls! Hallelujah! And Dribbles gets smashed! 110 tons of airborne elephant! Smashade wins!
Get off me, Dumbo!
Join us next time for a battle of the Ball Stars between Ace and Tech!
Smash, smasher! Smash the ball. You can't collect them all.
Live from Lake Grossout, welcome to Camp Crud! I'm your host, Mike Check. Last season, it was a battle for the strongest smasher. But this time, it's a clash of the crudest, rudest, slimiest, grimiest, grossest Now, for our first round, let's plunge into the Dookie Pit. First up, it's the Superfly Double Ply Blue Paper. And the mangy mutt who'll sniff your bum hits Dank Dog. This round is the Big Bean Fart Blast, where our smashers compete for the biggest bum burn. On your marks, get set, two. Blue Paper has two-tastic liftoff. That's what I call wind assistance. Looks like Dank Dog is out of gas. Insane in the methane! Dank Dog is up, and away! Dank Dog farts his way into the next round if he ever comes down! Join us next time! Join us next time when Off-Road Chap Noodles see who can eat the grossest toast! Until next time, stay smashed!
Smashers!
Welcome to Smashers Red Hot Rumble, the only game to take place on an active volcano. I'm your host, Scorch Manley, and this is Mount Hothead, an angry, fire-breathing mountain ready to erupt at any minute and rain down destruction. Why am I not terrified? I don't know. Let's meet the team, the Dino Duo. It's the fan-backed fan favorite, Spinosaurus. I'm the trailblazer who put the dino in dynamite. And the toasted terrible one himself, T-Rex. I'm the champ and everyone else is charcoal. Now that they've both signed the waiver, they'll be working together through 7 levels of charbroiled challenges. The first challenge is the Flaming Hot Home Run Derby. In this game, Mount Hothead will belch out flaming boulders and each player gains Smash XP for every rock they tail whip out of the park. And let's meet their competitors, the Magma Mammals! Introducing their fur-covered foes, Warm Wolf and Flame Ape! Rivals, ready to rumble? Batter up! Wow, nice hit by T-Rex! Spino smacks an extra spicy one! Ooh, a big whiff by the Big Ape! They're smashing boulders neck and neck, and the flames are flying! What a scorcher! Looks like this game has startled the Blaze Bison! Ow! 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 The raging roamer of the volcanic lava rock range. Hey, Toasty Toes! Look out! There's 4 flaming rocks screaming straight at T-Rex! We're down to the buzzer end! Holy mama! A grand slam! That puts the dinos ahead by 4! Yeah! We did it! Yeah, we did it, T-Rex! What? What? Is the volcano erupting? No! We've set off a stampede of hot-blooded Blaze Bison! But Wolf and Ape aren't seeing the stampede! Look out, furballs! Quick, dinos head into the magma maze! Thanks for watching! Join us next time to see if the Dino Duo can solve the messed up mysteries of the magma maze. On the Red Hot Rumble!